What makes a tank the king of the battlefield? Let's find out. The story of tanks begins in the muddy trenches of World War I with the Mark I. These early armored vehicles changed the dynamics of warfare, providing a new way to break through enemy lines. Throughout history, certain tanks have stood out for their design and impact. The Tiger I, with its formidable armor and firepower. The T-34, a symbol of Soviet resilience. The Sherman, a workhorse of the Allies. The Challenger II, known for its durability. And the Abrams, a modern powerhouse. Each introduced key innovations that shaped tank warfare. Today's battlefield features a variety of armored vehicles, from armored personnel carriers, or APCs, to infantry fighting vehicles, known as IFVs, and main battle tanks, or MBTs. Modern technology has brought advancements like composite armor, active protection systems, and drone integration, making these vehicles more versatile and deadly. Looking ahead, the future of armored vehicles is exciting. We can expect autonomous tanks, lightweight materials, and hybrid engines to revolutionize the battlefield once again. From their humble beginnings to modern marvels, tanks and armored vehicles have come a long way. Which tank or armored vehicle is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to join us for more deep dives into military technology.